All right, welcome back, guys. Travels of Preston, your man's Preston. All right, so I'm in actually Yorktown, Virginia, actually in the historic district. All right, it's right next to the Yorktown battlefield. So if you watched that video, I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, recommend some other cities. So right now, I'm really trying to show you guys the DMV area, all right? And like I said, more importantly, my state, Virginia. Also, directly behind me is the Yorktown, what is it called? Yorktown Victory Monument. I don't know how I just had a brain fart. All right, so you can see right behind me, it's super beautiful. It's right off the main street, so you can actually park at the visitor center and take a trolley to Main Street, and you kind of walk around from there. So today being Saturday, the Nelson House is open because they said it's not open on Sundays and they actually close at 4 p.m. today. So we're going to try to make it before they close. So let me show you a little bit closer the monument. All right, so coming from the monument, we're walking straight. I don't know where my son is going. Boy, I told we gotta go this way. All right, so we're walking down Main Street. It's pretty cool. People are getting married. It's awesome. All right. So it's really beautiful out here, as you can see. Turn this around. So it really has that colonial vibe. Like I said, this is a great place to bring the family, walk around. Today is exceptionally beautiful because it's not really cloudy, not hot. It's only about 80-something degrees. Perfect. So the waterfront is to my right. As you can see, one of the houses. I would tell you each house, but the map is in my pocket. So we're trying to make it to the Nelson House before they close at 4 o'clock. And then maybe after I'm done with that, I can show you guys some more. A short walk from the monument, we come down Main Street, and directly behind me, one of the highlights that the park rangers was telling me, or us, was the Nelson House, like I said, directly behind me. So the reason why it's important, I guess, it has the battle scars or the remnants of the siege of Yorktown. So I'm not sure we can vlog inside. I'm gonna kind of walk in there with the camera and see what happens. But literally, you gotta check it out, okay? All right, coming out the Nelson House, which is fairly empty, but they said they purposely did it like that because they wanted you to focus more on the house itself and kind of what it went through. You can kind of see the years on it. But if you want to see some details, some of the pictures inside, go to my Instagram, all right? Like I said, the link and everything is definitely in the bio. So right now we're still walking towards Main Street. Well, walking on Main Street, and we're gonna try to look for a place to eat. Now, if you watch my journey and other previous videos, you'll know that I'm kind of doing this 60-day challenge, and I am not eating anything crazy. I'm eating clean, so I won't be doing any type of food vlogs, but I'm quite sure there's plenty of good restaurants to eat down here. Okay, so right behind me is Swan Tavern, which was the most prominent tavern in Yorktown at the time in 18th century. So you can see it's still standing. And then across from me is York Hall. All right. All right, so we're gonna keep walking. Kids are over there reading signs. It's a nice little quiet town. Trying to find a souvenir shop. Oh, it says gifts in York Hall. Let me go in York Hall. All right, so we just hooked a right, and we're actually on the Riverwalk area, which you can see has a beach on that side. People are picnicking. I feel like they're gonna have a concert. That's what it looks like they're building for. So it's like it's gonna be super lively. Oh yeah, people got their chairs out, enjoying the day. Like I told you, it's a beautiful day. It's 80 something degrees. Can't ask for any more. People driving their fancy cars. All right. Ooh, that carburetor smell. All right, let me show you guys some more of the Riverwalk. So when you're coming down the Riverwalk, it has a nice area of a bookstore. You got Ben and Jerry's, you got like an arts and crafts store, you got a couple of restaurants, and then obviously on the side you have the bay or the York River. So right here, I wanted to stop right here to show you guys the four heroes of Yorktown. We have George Washington, General Rockambeau, I think that's how you pronounce his name, General Lafayette, and Admiral de Grasse. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And right here is a monument to him. So you can kind of see it right here. So one of the cool things about Virginia, so Virginia's for lovers. That's the motto of my state. And so when you travel across my state, you will see love signs like this in all types of forms. And it gets real creative. This one's a little bit more basic, but they definitely get real creative. And when you come to my state, you gotta take a picture with it, all right? So make sure you check out the Instagram, all right? So just past the love sign is the actual river. So when you come down, you actually have the Lafayette tour. So you can like tour the river and see all the splendor. Nice, beautiful bridge, but I'm sure you probably be able to walk on. Not sure. Actually, I think you can walk. I think I see a path. So as you can see, it stretches all the way down there. The beach starts literally right here. So you can go hang out on the beach, enjoy yourself. All right, so this is Yorktown, historic Yorktown. So I hope you enjoyed it. I got some more content coming, guys. Make sure you check me out every Monday, 2 p.m., 1400 for you cool cats. And I'll see you next Monday. Peace.